Welcome to an incredible journey inside the amazing human heart and vascular system. Deep inside your chest beats an organ no larger than a clenched fist, yet it performs one of the most extraordinary tasks in the human body. Every second of every day your heart works tirelessly, pumping blood, carrying oxygen, nutrients, hormones and immune cells to every corner of your body without stopping to rest. It supports life from the moment you are born until your final breath. The human heart is a powerful muscular organ located slightly to the left side of the chest between the lungs. It is protected by the rib cage and surrounded by a thin sac called the pericardium. An average adult heart weighs between 200 and 350 grams, but despite its relatively small size, it is capable of pumping thousands of liters of blood each day. The heart is divided into 4 chambers. The 2 upper chambers are called the right atrium and the left atrium. The 2 lower chambers are known as the right ventricle and the left ventricle. Each chamber has a unique role in maintaining the circulation of blood throughout the body. Blood returning from different parts of the body enters the right atrium through large veins known as the superior vena cava and the inferior vena cava. This blood is low in oxygen because body tissues have already used the oxygen to produce energy. The right atrium contracts and pushes this blood through the tricuspid valve into the right ventricle. The right ventricle acts like a pump, sending blood through the pulmonary valve into the pulmonary arteries. These arteries carry blood to the lungs. In the lungs, carbon dioxide is removed from the blood and fresh oxygen is absorbed during breathing. This process transforms oxygen-poor blood into oxygen-rich blood. The oxygen-rich blood travels back to the heart through the pulmonary veins, entering the left atrium. The left atrium contracts, pushing blood through the mitral valve into the left ventricle. The left ventricle has the thickest muscular wall of all 4 chambers because it must generate enough force to pump blood throughout the entire body. When the left ventricle contracts, blood is pushed through the aortic valve into the aorta, which is the largest artery in the human body. From the aorta, blood travels through an extensive network of arteries supplying oxygen and nutrients to organs, muscles and tissues. The heart beats approximately 60 to 100 times each minute. In a healthy adult, during exercise, emotional excitement or stress, the heart rate increases, allowing more blood to reach active tissues. During sleep or relaxation, the heart rate slows, conserving energy while maintaining essential functions. Electrical signals control the heartbeat. A specialized group of cells called the sinoatrial node located in the right atrium serves as the natural pacemaker of the heart. It generates electrical impulses that spread through the atria, causing them to contract. The signals then reach the atrioventricular node and travel through specialized pathways, stimulating the ventricles to contract in a coordinated manner. This remarkable electrical system ensures that blood flows efficiently without interruption. Even a small disturbance in this system can lead to irregular heart rhythms known as arrhythmias. Some arrhythmias are harmless while others require medical treatment. The vascular system is an intricate network of blood vessels extending throughout the entire body. It consists of arteries, veins and capillaries. Together these vessels form an enormous transportation system stretching more than 100,000 kilometers in an adult human. Arteries carry blood away from the heart. Most arteries transport oxygen-rich blood, although the pulmonary arteries are an exception, carrying oxygen-poor blood to the lungs. Arterial walls are thick, elastic and muscular, allowing them to withstand the high pressure generated by the pumping heart. As arteries branch into smaller vessels called arterioles, they regulate blood flow to different organs depending on the body's needs. During physical activity, muscles receive increased blood supply while digestion may temporarily receive less circulation. Capillaries are the smallest blood vessels in the body. Their walls are only 1 cell thick, enabling the exchange of oxygen, nutrients, waste products and hormones between blood and surrounding tissues. Millions of capillaries create vast networks reaching nearly every cell, ensuring survival and proper function. After delivering oxygen and nutrients, blood enters small veins called venules, which merge into larger veins. Veins return blood to the heart. Unlike arteries, veins contain valves that prevent blood from flowing backward, especially in the legs where blood must travel upward against gravity. The continuous movement of blood through the heart, lungs and blood vessels is known as circulation. There are 2 major pathways. Pulmonary circulation carries blood between the heart and lungs, while systemic circulation delivers blood to the rest of the body. Together they sustain every organ and support countless biological processes. The heart consumes a significant amount of oxygen to maintain its own activity. Specialized coronary arteries supply blood directly to the heart muscle. If these arteries become narrowed or blocked due to fatty deposits, the heart muscle may suffer damage, leading to chest pain or a heart attack. Maintaining a healthy heart requires a balanced lifestyle. Regular physical activity strengthens the heart muscle, improves circulation and helps control blood pressure. Eating nutritious foods rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains and healthy fats supports vascular health. Avoiding smoking and limiting excessive sugar and salt intake reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease. Adequate sleep, stress management and routine medical checkups also contribute to long-term heart health. Monitoring cholesterol levels, blood pressure and blood sugar can help detect potential problems before they become serious. The human heart and vascular system represent one of nature's greatest engineering achievements. Working together with precision and endurance, they provide life-sustaining nourishment to trillions of cells every moment of every day. Their silent dedication allows us to think, move, dream, create and experience the world around us. Making the effort to understand and protect this extraordinary system is one of the most valuable investments we can make for a healthier and longer life.